Hi kids, I hope you all are fit and safe. Here is your fourth digital video lecture. Yesterday we have started with our 3D shapes and we have discussed about cube, cuboid and sphere. Today we are going to discuss with our cylinder and cone. Okay kids, yesterday I have given you some work. I told you to find out some of the 3D objects in your kitchen. So here is my object. What is it? Yes, it is a glass and the shape of the glass is called cylinder. Now let's see how we can make a cylindrical shape. For making a cylinder, I have taken 3 plane shapes here. 2 circles and 1 rectangle. Now, how can we make a cylinder with this? I'll tell you. First step is you have to simply fold this rectangle. After folding this rectangle, you will get a curved face. So this is the curved face. And these two are my flat faces, means the plane shapes only. This shape becomes my curved one. Now, how I can make the cylinder from these now? Simply, you have to put on these circles, just one above the cylinder and another downside the cylinder. So here it is. This is how you can get a cylinder. Now let's see what does a cylinder consist of. So a cylinder, it has this one, curved face, and these two are the circles, these are the flat faces. Here you can see these are the two edges, these are called as curved edges. So now we can easily guess the properties of a cylinder. A cylinder, it has 2 flat faces, 1 curved face and 2 curved edges. Here are some of the examples. The Coca-Cola can, the gas cylinder, the wooden log and the Duracell. All these are in the shape of cylinder. Okay kids, now can you think of another 3D shape which have a curved face and a flat face? Only one curved face and only one flat face. Any guess? Yes, correct. Last shape that we are talking about is our cone. So here's a cone. Now let's see. Just like cylinder, a cone, it also have one curved face. And this is the flat face of the cone. Now these are the edges of the cone. It means a cone have only one curved edge. So let's see the properties of the cone. A cone has one flat face, one curved face and one curved edge. Let's see some of the examples. Here is one conical tent. Maybe you can find near your houses also where you are playing. This is the birthday cap. When you are celebrating your birthday, you are always putting the cap of cone shape. Ice cream cone, yummy. These are summer days, so we are just in need of these ice creams. And last is the conical mountain. This is also in the shape of a cone. Let us recall now. We have talked about a cube. A cube, it has 6 flat faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Same is the case of cuboid. It also has 6 flat faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. A sphere, it has only one curved face. A cylinder, it has 2 flat faces, 1 curved face and 2 curved edges. The last is our cone. It has 1 flat, 1 curved face and 1 curved edge. A cone has a vertex too. So these are our 3D shapes. These shapes you can find near you only. Now let us start with our next topic, closed and open figures. What is a closed figure? The figures that start and end at the same point are called closed figures. All your plane shapes, that is 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional, all your shapes, they are also the closed figures. Let's see. Here are some more closed figures. Closed figure, they are always starting from one point and they are ending also on the same point. If you will talk about this pentagon, it is starting from here and ending also here. Means there is no way from where you can enter into this closed figure, enter into this pentagon. Same way, the star also, it is a closed figure. This figure also closed one figure. All these are the closed figures. Now what are open figures? The figures that start at one point and end at another point are called open figures. Means they are not having any meeting point. So let's see some of the open figures. So here, these figures, you can see the first one figure, it is starting from here, ending here. Means they are not at all meeting each other. So these are the open figures. Any figure, like suppose I am going to make this one figure. Its starting point is this one, ending point is this one. They are not at all meeting each other. So these are the open figures. All these are the open figures. Now let's see some similar figures which are closed and open. How? So see, this is the full circle. This circle is the closed one and this circle is incomplete. It is starting from here, ending here. Means it is an open figure. This triangle also, this one is closed and this is not closed. This square also. So this is how we are having our open and closed figures. Now that's all for today. Thank you kids. See you soon.